from Mathews Family Law and Mediation Specialist. Now, you are in Toorak. You consider yourself a boutique family law firm, is that right?
That's right, Tonya. Nice to be with you.
Yeah.
So about 13 years, nearly 14 years ago, I set up Mathews Family Law, and over time I added on the mediation specialisation. But yeah, we're a boutique family law firm in Toorak, and family law is what we do all day, every day. We don't do anything else. We don't do mergers and acquisitions, and we don't do conveyancing. We don't write wills, but we do family law.
Fantastic. So today we're doing navigating family law settlements during COVID. The settlement obviously is part of my brief, but we overlap slightly. And I wanted to perhaps get an overview of how that sits, the challenges and possible solutions to settlements during COVID.
Yeah, it's certainly, property settlements can be difficult for separating couples, but the overlay of COVID has added an extra layer of complexity to that, and we are working with people with those complexities. So some examples of those complexities are that we rely, as family lawyers, we rely on a network of expert third-party professionals. So for example, valuers, accountants, psychologists, all sorts of people, financial advisors and so on. And what we're finding, and it's well established now, that valuations of assets at the moment is a really difficult, complex and tenuous project. So for somebody to be given a brief to value a piece of real estate, commercial or residential, or for somebody to be given a brief to value a business for family law purposes, really difficult. So there are some limitations on what we can achieve in this COVID situation.
So there's, I guess to sum it up, there's the uncertainty. There's the
uncertainty.
There's the difficulty with the valuations, and knowing firsthand, having my husband co-run a valuation company, I believe that you can only use the evidence that's available to you, but the market is shifting and changing so quickly that I'm sure most valuers are putting in a clause at the moment in relation to COVID, which is understandable. And then there's the third point, which you sort of alluded to, and that's the closure, the inability to have closure. So what is your solution for this, the best solution that you can table?
So we're always driven by our clients' instructions, and our role as family lawyers is to provide people, our clients, with the advices to their various options and to weigh up the benefits, the advantages and disadvantages to them on an individual basis. And it might be that for our client, the best thing for them, given the high level of uncertainty and potentially the really dramatic change in their asset pool as it stands today as compared to pre-COVID, it might be better just to sit and wait. As long as they are safe and secure, living in a property, access to finances and so on, it might be, for the big picture settlement, better to just sit and wait it out until the economy settles down a bit, till valuers are coming back to us saying, okay, we're ready to provide more certain valuations with a greater level of confidence.
So in summary, a deferral.
A deferral where we just press pause on some aspects. We can continue to negotiate other aspects of the property settlement, but it might be that if the property settlement is dependent on having a very accurate valuation of various assets, that might be the best situation. But understanding that the best situation, the best outcome for one client, which might be a deferral, let's sit it out and wait till we've got that greater level of certainty, might not be the best situation for the other person, who might think, well, this is a good opportunity for me to, for example, buy out my former partner's interest in the real estate that they own and potentially get that for a lower price. So with separation, we can have a divergence of best interests. We need to cater for that. So might be that that's our advice to our client. but the other party, former partner, that's not suitable for them.
All right. Hey, thanks for your time. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks, Tonya. Bye for now.
Bye.